7 proteins to add to your grocery list to help you lower high blood pressure, according to a dietitian. High blood pressure is a significant health concern among 120 million Americans. A 2022 study found that those who consumed at least 4 different types of protein each week from various sources, including eggs, meat, whole grains, and legumes, were 66% less likely to develop hypertension. Protein is essential for breaking down into amino acids, which are needed for tissue repair and growth. 7 high-protein foods to include in your diet are recommended. 1. Fish, including salmon and halibut, is a great protein source with high potassium content, essential for lowering blood pressure and calming blood vessel tension, according to the American Heart Association. 2. Eggs. Eggs, despite their cholesterol concerns, are a nutritious food rich in vitamins A, B, and antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin. Federal dietary guidelines have dropped the cholesterol concern due to lack of scientific evidence, according to a 2022 study in Frontiers in Nutrition. 3. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds are rich in protein, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, which can reduce oxidative stress and promote heart health. Enjoy delicious recipes to incorporate more nuts and seeds into your diet. 4. Sirloin steak. Beef is a rich source of protein, iron, vitamin B12, and minerals, with a 4-ounce serving of lean sirloin steak providing 22 grams of protein. A 2023 study suggests better absorption of animal protein compared to plant sources. 5. Quinoa. Quinoa, a protein-rich grain, contains 9 essential amino acids and folate, a B vitamin essential for heart health. A 2023 study in hypertension research suggests optimal folate levels reduce cardiovascular disease risk. 6. Poultry. Poultry is a protein-rich food rich in essential amino acids, particularly L-arginine, which can lower blood pressure. Consuming poultry, like chicken or turkey, converts L-arginine into nitric oxide, relaxing blood vessels and improving hypertension. Try healthy poultry recipes this week. 7. Legumes. Legumes, including peas, beans, lentils, and soy, are plant-based protein sources. They are high in potassium, beneficial for blood flow, and rich in heart-healthy fiber, a nutrient often underexpressed. Lentils, small lens-shaped legumes, come in various colors.